Yeah. One of them's just run across the books. The youngest one. Okay, I've got all three. So the purpose of this, like 369 zone. Now the purpose of this nest inspection and ringing is part of what's called population monitoring, and so we can determine with birds that are recovered and reported, we can determine where they've gone, obviously, how long they've lived, very often why they've died, and it's all part of the study of barn owl population dynamics. And when you look on the Barn Owl Trust website and other websites and you see a lot of information about barn owls, much of that information has come from ringing and recoveries. So the onus is on you, really, the general public. If you ever find a wild bird that's dead or injured, if it's safe to do so, always check for rings, and please make sure you report them to the British Trust for Ornithology. If it's a barn owl, you can also, if you want, report it to the Barn Owl Trust, and on the UK Barn Owl Survey website, which is barnowlsurvey.org.uk. So you bring two out of the three, and the second one is the eldest, I think. It's beautiful dark female. She's been ringed already, and I'm just waiting her now. So the ringing is complete. It's a very quick process, absolutely painless. The young birds might peck at their rings for a few minutes after we've gone, and then they'll ignore them for the rest of their lives. That's what cameras seem to show. So hopefully these three birds will all do okay. The weather's good today, so hopefully there's plenty of food coming in tonight. They're all good weights, and yeah, enjoy. If you're interested in barn owl behaviour and finding out more about them, do have a look at the Barn Owl Trust's main website. On the home page, it's barnowltrust.org.uk. On the home page, you can just click on barn owls, and then you'll see a list of pages that you can